Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, perkenalkan nama saya Delepia Dalepa. Saya mahasiswa Sekolah Tinggi Ilmu Kesehatan Abdi Nusa Pangkal Pinang. Program studi D3 Manajemen Pelayanan Rumah Sakit. Video ini dibuat untuk bahan ujian tengah semester mata kuliah Bahasa Inggris. Adapun materi yang akan dijelaskan yaitu 16 tenses serta formula dan contohnya. Untuk penjelasan lebih lanjutnya, mari kita simak.
Untuk yang pertama ada simple present tense. Simple present tense menunjukkan fakta, kebiasaan, dan keadaan umum yang terjadi pada saat ini. Simple present tense ada 3 rumus: positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. Untuk positif, subject plus to be is MR plus complement. Contoh, you are beautiful, she is beautiful. Negatif, subject plus to be is MR plus not plus complement. Contoh, she is not beautiful. Untuk yang interrogatif, to be is MR plus subject plus complement. Contoh, are you beautiful? Yang kedua ada present continuous tense. Present continuous tense membicarakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung. Untuk rumus positif, subject plus to be is MR plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, we are studying English. Negatif, subject plus to be is MR plus not plus complement. Contoh, we are not studying English. Interrogatif, to be is MR plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, are we studying English? Yang ketiga ada present perfect tense. Present perfect tense menunjukkan suatu aksi atau kejadian sudah selesai dan menekan pada hasilnya. Rumus yang positif, subject plus has, have plus verb to plus complement. Contoh, I have finished my homework. She has finished her homework. Negatif, subject plus have, has plus not plus verb to plus complement. Contoh, I have not finished my homework. Interrogatif, has, have plus subject plus verb to plus complement. Contoh, have I finished my homework? Yang keempat, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense menunjukkan aksi yang dimulai pada masa lampau dan terus berlanjut sampai saat ini. Untuk rumus, yang positif ada subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, you have been working hard since 2015. Negatif, subject plus has, have plus not plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, you have not been working hard since 2015. Interrogatif, has, have plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, have you been working hard since 2015? Yang kelima ada simple past tense. Simple past tense menunjukkan suatu kejadian di masa lampau. Rumus, untuk yang positif subject plus was, were plus complement. Contoh, she was beautiful. Untuk yang negatif, subject plus was, were plus not plus complement. Contoh, she was not beautiful. Interrogatif, was, were plus subject plus complement. Contoh, was she beautiful? Yang keenam, fast continuous tense. Fast continuous tense menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang sedang terjadi pada masa lampau. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus was, were plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I was studying English when he called. Negatif, subject plus was, were plus not plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I was not studying English when he called. Interrogatif, was, were plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, was I studying English when he called? 7. Past perfect tense. Past perfect tense menunjukkan kejadian yang terjadi sebelum waktu tertentu di masa lampau dan lebih menekankan pada hasil daripada durasi kejadiannya. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus had plus verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, I had finished my homework before I meet up with my friends yesterday. Negatif, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, I had not finished my homework before I meet up with my friends yesterday. Interrogatif, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, had I finished my homework before I meet up with my friends yesterday. Yang kedelapan, ada past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense menunjukkan aksi yang sedang terjadi di masa lampau dan sudah selesai pada waktu yang tertentu di masa lalu juga. Untuk rumusnya, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, you had been crying for an hour. Negatif, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, you had not been crying for. Interrogatif, had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, had you been crying for an hour? 9. Simple future tense. Simple future tense menunjukkan aksi atau suatu keadaan di masa depan. Contoh, untuk rumus yang positif ada subject plus will or be going to plus verb what plus complement. Contoh, I will work hard for this company. Negatif, subject plus will not or be not going to plus verb 1 plus complement. Contoh, I will not work hard for this company. Interrogatif, be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus complement. Contoh, will I work hard for this company? 10. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense menunjukkan suatu aksi atau keadaan yang akan terjadi di suatu waktu tertentu di masa yang akan datang. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus will or be going to be 2 plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I will be studying English. You are going to be studying English. Untuk yang negatif, subject plus will not or be not going to plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I will not be studying English. You are not going to be studying English. Interrogatif, to be SMR plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, will I be studying English? Are you going to be studying English? Yang ke-11 ada future perfect tense. Future perfect tense menunjukkan aksi yang akan berakhir di masa depan. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus will have plus verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, I will have finished my homework. Negatif, subject plus will not have plus verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, I will not have finished my homework. Interrogatif, will plus subject plus have verb 3 plus complement. Contoh, will I have finished my homework? 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense menunjukkan aksi yang akan terus terjadi di masa depan. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, in 2020, have been working hard for 2 years. Negatif, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, in 2020, she will not have been working hard for 2 years. Negatif, interrogatif, will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, in 2020, will she have been working hard for 2 years? 13. Past future tense. Past future tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lalu namun gagal atau rencana yang gagal. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus word short plus verb one plus complement. Contoh, I will come to your party if you invite me. Negatif, subject plus would short not plus verb one plus complement. Contoh, I would not come to your party if you did not invite me. Interrogatif, would short plus subject plus verb one plus complement. Contoh, would I come to your party if you invite me? 14. Past future continuous tense. Past future continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lampau dan akan terus berlangsung hingga waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Tenses ini menekankan pada durasi aksinya. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus would short plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I would be studying if you did not disturb me yesterday. Negatif, subject plus would short not plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, I would not be studying if you did not disturb me yesterday. Interrogatif, subject would short plus subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, would I be studying if you did not disturb me yesterday? 15. Past future perfect tense. Past future perfect tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang akan sudah dilakukan di masa lampau namun ternyata tidak dilakukan atau rencana yang gagal. Tenses ini menekankan pada hasil. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus would short plus have plus verb three plus complement. Contoh, I would have bought a new car if I had enough money. Negatif, subject plus would should not plus have plus verb three plus complement. Contoh, I would not have bought a new car if I had enough money. Interrogatif, would should plus subject plus be plus verb three plus complement. Contoh, would I have bought a new car if I had enough money? Baiklah, untuk yang terakhir ada past future perfect continuous tense. Past future perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan sudah dan masih sedang dilakukan di masa lampau, namun sebenarnya tidak terjadi. Tenses ini menekankan pada durasi dan hasilnya. Untuk rumus yang positif, subject plus would short plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, she would have been waiting for me for 3 hours yesterday, but she had gone at 9 p.m. Negatif, subject plus would short not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, she would not have been waiting for me for 3 hours yesterday, but she had gone at 9 p.m. Untuk interrogatif, would, should plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus complement. Contoh, would she have been waiting for me for 3 hours yesterday?
Audio Jungle.
Baiklah, sekian penjelasan dari saya. Untuk yang sudah menonton, saya ucapkan terima kasih banyak. Jangan lupa like, comment, subscribe.